with channel points? I made them 20,000 channel points each. So what does this mean, chat? It takes an hour of watching my stream to get 500 channel points, which means it takes 40 hours to get a singular TJ. A singular one. Which means get him in while you can, but chat, I know you're going to run out of money soon. You will run out of money soon, bro. So yeah. I know. It'll be crazy. I wait to see when the stock market goes broke. Watch this, chat. 3. There it is. That was probably the last one. We are done. We are good. We got all our TJs out. And we got Oos out. Yeah, it's pretty good. All right, chat. So, that is pretty much the thing, the situation. Okay. I'll wait. Thank you. Yes.
Philly Blankies.
There we go. See, chat, and just like that, we are good to go. 20,000 points each. It's too expensive. Okay.
I have over 700k and am not even in the top 1%.
What? Are you serious? Wait, 700,000 not even the top 1%? What? Wait. I have 1.1 million. 200,000. 500,000.
Whenever, Polyglot.
Have I made a mistake? 1.5 million? No, you guys are lying. You're going broke. Have I made a mistake? Have I made a mistake? Okay. Chat. If you stop playing the TJs so often, I'm gonna get in the hot tub for you guys. That's right. That is my hot tub.
Our economy, nor our pettiness care.
Exactly. See? So now, guys, stop. Thank you. All right, we'll go crazy.
Whenever, Polyglot.
Okay.